In this video, I'll show you how you pack single items. So we've already covered how you create them in a previous video. In this video, we will show how you pack it back. And the way to do that is you click on pack like you would for the bulk items, but then you select the garment bag from the list, and then you can decide to maybe take a picture of the items in the garment bag so that you have evidence of it. And you can add a label to it so you can keep track of it through the chain of custody. So you just hit that button and then the label has been added. If you want to add multiple garments to this label, so let's say you want to add a different jacket or sweater to the label, you could also do that. So you can take additional pictures if you want to document it or not, but then all those items, you can see them at the top, will be added to that same label. Number 5. And once you're done adding items to that label, you can exit the pack and it will be added with 2 photos for the 2 items that are associated with that QR code. The reason we do that is that maybe you don't want to have a QR code for every piece of clothing. Maybe you want to bundle them into groups of 5 or so on. And that way you have all of those associated with it. So at this stage, like with bulk mode, when you pack items back, AI is not doing an inventory. It's just adding them to your custody tab so that you can keep track of those. So in this case, I think it's still processing, but because we did it in the master bedroom, that will be added. That pack that we created will be associated with the master bedroom. And here you can see, here, let's wait for the label to show up. So there you go. So here you can see the label is textile number 5. And if I open it, I have the 2 images that we took. And that way, if you scan the QR code, it will open this up so you know what's associated with it. Again, you can scan this label into a location, or in this case, I don't have my locations here, but I can select a location. I can scan them into a vault and so on, and they'll be added there. And same thing as with the pack fold, the status is set to storage because we assume that now that it's been cleaned and it's ready to be packed, it's going to go into storage. But if that's not the case, if you're going to give it back, you can mark it delivered or pack back or whatever the right option is for you.